I am Somaraju from 3rd CSC. In this video, I am going to discuss about some of the most important concepts in JavaScript like async and await functions, callback functions, promises, closures. These are the most important functions to write a JavaScript code. And coming to async and await functions, see, basically JavaScript is asynchronous in nature, but by using these async and await functions, we feels like it's a it's a synchronous. We feels like it's in synchronous closure. If we are executing multiple requests, if we use await, it will, if it stuck at one response, it allows other tasks to execute. Here, in order to use await, we should include the function as async. These are the keywords used. Async keyword is used for asynchronous, and await is used for waiting. Here this is the API which I used from Google. It fetches the data from which present in this API. Now let us execute and let us see how it works. Here this is the data which present in this API key. Now coming to callback function. Here callback function is nothing but calling a function within the another function as an argument. Here this message is a function and callback is also a function which is called from message. Here callback is a function that called as an argument. This is called as the pure concept of callback function. Here let us see how this code execute. Here it executed successfully. Now coming to promises. Promises are nothing but it's like real world promises that we do. It's like a promise. If it's a promise is true, it will be resolved, or else it will be rejected. Here it will, if it is true, it will goes to the resolve function. Here we can see that it is a concept of again callback function. Here promises is a function and resolve, reject are also functions and passes as an arguments. And we print those functions. Now let us see how this executes. Here it's, if here the data passed is true, that's the way it is resolved and printed as success. And coming to next concept, closure. Closure is nothing but calling the function as closure, calling the inner function through outer function as closure. Here we can see that outer function is a outer function and it having two inner functions as add and sub. Here add function is used to add two numbers and subtraction function is used to add two subtractions. And here we assign these outer functions to this operations keyword, and we can access these inner functions through this keyword. Now we will see how this works. Now coming to final task, I have implemented a to-do list application. Here is the code logic which I have implemented. These are the functions to add the tasks into the list and to remove the tasks into the list from the list, and this is the function which used to print what the tasks that present in that time. Here this trim function is used to remove the white spaces, that any extra white spaces in the given provided task. Here it is, if any task is not necessary for anymore, then we can use through this remove to do function, and this show to do function is used to show the tasks that present in the particular time. Yeah, here some of the tasks which I added, and here is the show function that shows these all three functions which present at that time, and here I removed the first task, and next it will show the tasks which are removed, which are after removing the tasks that present in the to-do list. Let us see how the code executes. See, here we can see these are the tasks which I initially added, and I removed a task sleep well which has an index 1, and here are after removing the sleep well task, these are the two remaining tasks in the list. Thank you for